Tella TV is an amazing online screen recorder that can be used for recording online courses or tutorials, and it offers you a 7-day free trial to test its capabilities. And if you want to go for a paid plan, you can receive some amazing discounts and features, and that is exactly what we will be seeing in this video. So make sure you watch this video till the very end. We will start with the discounts first. There are two plans, Pro plan at $19 per month and Premium plan at $49 per month. To get the first discount, you can select yearly and you will get about 25% discount on these plans. And to get the second discount, you can use the exclusive link given in this video's description and create a brand new account. After you do this, you will get a 30% discount. This discount only works if you use the link in the description and create a new account. It wouldn't work on old existing accounts. After getting the discounts, you can go ahead and complete the payment. And since we have a 7-day free trial, you can definitely use this free version first and know more about all the available features. Now, let's take a look at the benefits offered by both these plans and decide which of these two is an ideal choice for you. First, we have the Pro plan, which is originally priced at $19 per month without applying any discount and can go as low as $13 with the maximum discount. The Pro plan is designed for users who want professional grade video creation without breaking the bank. It offers unlimited videos and recording duration, making it ideal for users who need flexibility and consistency in creating content. Whether you are recording tutorials, presentations or product demos, you can record as much as you want. This plan supports 4K exports, ensuring high definition videos, and includes 60 FPS export for up to 5-minute long clips. This feature is perfect for creators who require smooth, high quality visuals for dynamic content like gaming videos or fast-paced tutorials. Additionally, Pro plan users benefit from instant sharing capabilities, allowing you to share your work seamlessly across platforms. With watermark-free downloads, your videos will have a professional look without distracting branding elements. And remember that these are just the extra features. Tella TV offers a lot of other screen recording capabilities like recording yourself, placing your face in different shapes and locations, or combining together separately recorded clips and much more. You will learn about all these features once you start using it. Now next, we have the Premium plan priced at $49 per month without applying any discount. And if you apply the maximum possible discount, you can get it for a minimum of $34. The Premium plan is built for users who want complete control over their brand and video content. It includes everything offered in the Pro plan, plus powerful additional features that elevate your video creation to the next level. With custom branding, you can add your logo and personalize videos to reflect your identity. This feature is valuable for businesses, educators, or influencers who want to establish a consistent brand image. The plan also offers a custom domain, giving you the ability to showcase your videos on a personalized website for a more professional presentation. Unlike the Pro plan that offered 60 FPS for up to 5-minute long videos, the Premium plan allows unlimited 60 FPS exports, which is ideal for users requiring consistently smooth and high quality video output for extended durations. Tella also promises some upcoming features in the Premium plan, and they are advanced sharing options and video analytics. These will further enhance your ability to distribute content effectively and track performance. These upcoming features are particularly advantageous for marketing professionals and businesses looking to optimize their video strategies. Now, based on these features, it must be pretty obvious to you which plan should you go for. If it still isn't, then here's a quick conclusion. If you are an individual creator or a small business looking for high quality video capabilities at an affordable price, the Pro plan is perfect for you. It offers everything you need to produce professional content without custom branding or advanced analytics. On the other hand, if you are a business, educator, or influencer with a slightly higher budget and focusing on brand identity and professional presentation, the Premium plan is your go-to option. Its additional features like custom branding, domains, and upcoming analytics tools make it an excellent investment for building your brand and optimizing content performance. If you want some tutorials on other AI tools that you can use to create videos from simple text prompts, then you can check these videos right here. If you like this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in a new video.